Ayan, kakapos ko lang maligo guys. And this is my outfit for today. Ayan, dahil ako ay lalabas today guys. Today it's a weekend time. So, ayun guys. Lalabas tayo. It's morning time. It's morning time guys. Because I feel so bored at home. So, ayan. I'm ready to go outside na, guys. So, I will put a lotion, guys. This one, my lotion na ginagamit. I really love this, guys. It's a sun protection. It's a 10 times collagen. It's a collagen lotion, guys. It can make my skin soft, whiten, and for sun protection. I really love this. And the smell is so bango. Ayan. Very ano siya, guys. Ang bango niya. Ang sarap niya amoy-amoyin, guys. Ayan. Parang ako, I'm so ano, ayan. Ayan, guys. Ayan. Ito yung aking ginagamit na lotion everyday when I go outside. Ayan, sa loob ng bahay. Ayan, because this is my ano, lotion na ginagamit. Ayan. It's a collagen lotion. Ayan. It's a whitening lotion, guys. A sun protection. It's very, ano, guys. Ayan. Moisturizing. Ayan. It's very smooth on my skin, guys. As you can see, my skin become, ano, guys, become whiten and very smooth. Ay, diba? Ayan. So, ayan. I'm finished, guys. And tapos na akong mag-lotion. Ayan. So, ayan, I'm ready to go na guys. Ayan. This is my simple fashion for today. My outfit for today, guys. Ayan. My hair, guys, it's very kulot. It's a curly hair, guys. I need to suklay. Ayan, suklay my hand, guys. Ayan, suklay-suklayin lang natin siya, guys. Ayan, my short hair. And my simple beauty of today, guys. My simple putting of makeup on my face. I put only a little lipstick, a little blush on, and eyebrow, guys. And that's it, guys. This is my simple beauty, guys, and my simple fashion for today. I really love it. Ayan, guys. So my dress for only 150 pesos. I buy this, guys, for only 150 pesos. Oh my god, I felt so happy, guys. Ayan, it makes me young and beautiful, right? Ayan na, guys. So that is my outfit for today. I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack yan siya, guys. Ayan, oh. Ayan, I really love it. Ra-ba-bam, bam-bam, ra-ba-bam, bam-bam, na-na-na-na-na. Yan, yeah. Ra-ba-bam, bam-bam, ra-ba-bam, bam-bam. Ayan, guys. So, ayan, I'm finished, guys. Ito yung aking outfit for today, and ayan, that's my bag na gagamitin. Ayan, I'm ready to go na, guys. So, that's it for today. I hope you enjoy, guys. I hope you enjoy my video. Bye.